Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to our English Improvement Hub. I'm so happy to see you here again. Today's video is very special. In this video, we will learn 100 daily routine sentences. These sentences will help you speak English fluently and confidently. We will use a special method called the shadowing technique. Do you know what shadowing means? It means you will listen to me and repeat after me. Yes, it's that simple. This technique is very helpful for speaking practice. It trains your mouth, your ears, and your mind together. You will feel more natural when you speak English. In this video, I will say each sentence once, but I will speak slowly and clearly. After I say the sentence, you will repeat it. If you want, you can pause the video and repeat it many times. You can also write the sentence down. All these activities will help you remember and speak better. So now, find a quiet place. Sit down comfortably, get ready to speak. And don't worry if you make mistakes, just enjoy and keep going. Let's start with our morning routine. When I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is open my eyes and stretch my body. I usually say I wake up at 6 a.m. This is a very common sentence. You can also say, I wake up early, or I wake up late. After waking up, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I often say, I go to the bathroom after I wake up. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. It is good to say, I brush my teeth every morning. These are small things, but saying them in English every day helps build your confidence. After brushing, I take a shower. You can say, I take a shower in the morning. Sometimes I feel very sleepy, so I say, I need a shower to wake up. After that, I dry myself and wear my clothes. A useful sentence is, I get dressed for the day. If you choose your clothes yourself, you can say, I choose what to wear. Then I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. You can say, I make breakfast for my family, or I eat eggs and toast for breakfast. These are examples of things we do daily. Practice them with me. Don't be shy. You are learning. You are growing. Next, we have sentences for getting ready and leaving the house. After breakfast, I check the time and say, I have to hurry. I'm getting late. I wear my shoes and say, I put on my shoes. Then I grab my bag and say, I take my bag with me. When I leave the house, I say, I lock the door and leave for work. If you go to school, you can say, I leave for school at 8 o'clock. If you take a bus, say, I wait for the bus, or I catch the bus every morning. These sentences are easy but powerful. Speak them every day and you will see the difference. Now, let's talk about the workplace or school routine. When I arrive at work, I say, I reach the office on time. Or if I am late, I say, I'm sorry, I got stuck in traffic. When I start working, I say, I check my emails and make a to-do list. Then I do my daily tasks. A useful sentence is, I attend meetings and complete my work. If you're a student, you can say, I attend my classes and take notes. During the day, I take short breaks. You can say, I take a break to drink water, or I go for a short walk during lunch. Keep practicing these with me. When it's lunchtime, I usually say, I eat lunch at my desk, or I go out for lunch with my co-workers. After lunch, I continue working. You can say, I finish my tasks before the deadline. When the work is done, I say, I shut down my computer and prepare to leave. This is a good way to end the workday. If you leave the office, say, I leave the office at 6 p.m. These are everyday situations, and speaking about them in English will help your fluency a lot. Let's move to evening routine sentences now. When I come home, I say, I'm home, or I'm back from work. I take off my shoes and say, I change into comfortable clothes. Then I rest for some time. You can say, I relax on the sofa, or I watch TV for a while. In the evening, many people cook dinner. You can say, I cook dinner with my family, or I order food from a restaurant. Then we eat together and say, I eat dinner at 8 p.m. You can also say, I talk to my family during dinner. These small talks are part of our daily life. After dinner, some people do the dishes. You can say, I wash the dishes or I clean the kitchen. Then I prepare for the next day. You can say, I check my schedule for tomorrow or I pack my bag for work. Before bed, I often say, I take a shower again to feel fresh. Then I brush my teeth again and say, I brush my teeth before going to bed. I might read a book or use my phone for a little while. You can say, I read a book before sleeping, or I scroll through my phone for a few minutes. Now we are near the end of the day. Before sleeping, I say, I set my alarm for the next day. This is a very useful sentence. Then I say, I turn off the lights and go to bed. And finally, I say, good night. These simple sentences help you express your whole day in English. You can speak these sentences every day. You can also record your voice and listen to yourself. This will help you improve your pronunciation and confidence. My dear friend, you have now learned 100 simple, powerful daily routine sentences. You did a great job. If you practiced with me until now, I am so proud of you. You are taking real steps to become fluent. Just remember one thing. English is not about being perfect. English is about being brave. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are a part of learning. Just keep practicing. You can watch this video again tomorrow. Make it a part of your daily routine. You can say one new sentence every day. And if you want to improve faster, try using these sentences with your friends or in front of the mirror. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak with confidence. Thank you so much for watching and practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will bring more helpful videos like this every week. You are not alone in your journey. We are here with you. Keep learning, keep growing. And remember, you can speak English. See you in the next video. Bye-bye and take care.